The bone glove is pretty bad, not gonna lie. Brain of Confusion is actually pretty good for when it can be obtained, but is disposable since Master Ninja gear renders it redundant, which happens later in the game. Same thing with the Shield of Thulu. One of the best wings in the game, works well with soaring insignia. Demon Heart is almost vital in Master playthroughs, so it should place high. One word, trash. The Hive Pack is useless unless you do a B-only playthrough. I could not imagine fighting all three mechs for a minecart, so yeah, pretty bad. Slime Rain is annoying, so pretty, helpful, but I wish King and Queen Slime also didn't attack you, but that's too much to ask, I bet. Shiny Stone is just not good. I mean, who would stand still, especially in a boss fight? Shrimpy Truffle in Rain equals best. Air Mount. Infinite Flight is legendary. In harder difficulties, it is almost essential. Spore Sack is not that great for when it can be obtained. Summoning a suspicious-looking eye to provide light is fine. I mean, it is the brightest light pet, but it is slightly unnerving. %17 damage reduction is really nice, but useless after progression. Volatile Gelatin is just not good for the Timite can be obtained.